One of the things that I would say, you're going to take the piece home and everything, and it's going to be sitting there. You want to use, as far as cleaning it, you want to use things that are more wax-free. Guardsman makes a good polish that doesn't have silicones in it or anything, and you can use that to clean off your pieces with. That's what we recommend, is more Guardsman polishes like that. If you want a hard wax, then you're going to need something like our Carnauba type wax, and which is a paste wax, and you've got to rub that in and make sure you get it all off, and then that produces a pretty hard finish on top of your finish. But at the same time, after you put multiple layers of that on there, you got to clean that off down the road, and it takes a little time to clean it off. So we mainly would use a Guardsman finish that doesn't have, that polish doesn't have a lot of waxes or silicones in it, so it's not bad for your finishes. People in general will grab Lemon Pledge or Indust or something like that that's got silicones in it because it's easy. You spray it on, wipe it off, and it feels real slippery. Well, that real slippery feeling is silicones, and the silicones get in your finish. You ever go to finish that thing again down the road, like your top gets messed up and then you want to refinish it, those silicones will cause things that we call fish eyes. It'll be big circles in your finish, and very difficult to refinish it once it's had those type of polishes put on there. But that's what we would recommend, just something that's a light, easy thing to do. It doesn't have a build-up, and makes it easy to take care of it over the years.